Looking for a home cleaning estimate? Hi, I'm Heather, one of the client concierges at Executive Maids. Our rates depend on your home size, occupants, and the cleaning level needed, which is known as our dirt code. Consider these factors before rating. The scale is from 1 to 5. 1 means major effort needed, while 5 means immaculate. Rate the dust on furniture, blinds, and baseboards. Swipe to see no dust, a little dust, or thick dust. In the kitchen, swipe across stove, backsplash, hood, and cabinets over the stove. Feel smooth, greasy, or tacky sticky. Then focus on bathroom soap, scum, and mildew. See none, a little, or a lot. When was the last time your floors had a good cleaning? Within 2 weeks? 2 weeks to a month, or longer? Consider these factors for an accurate pricing quote tailored to your needs. Note, pricing may increase if dirt level exceeds the description. Just give us a call to discuss your home and your cleaning needs and any questions or concerns you may have about hiring a professional cleaning service, because we are here to help you.